Have you ever gazed into the star-studded night sky and wondered, how did all of this begin? For centuries, humanity has sought answers in philosophy, science, and faith. What if a book revealed over 1400 years ago described the universe's origin with an accuracy that science would only begin to confirm in the 20th century? This is the story of what the Qur'an reveals about the beginning of time. In the heart of the Qur'an, in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, we find a profound statement. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them. Let's pause on those words. The heavens and the earth were a joined entity. In Arabic, ratkin, a single, sewn-together mass. Then, God says, we separated them, or fataknahum. This describes a powerful act of cleaving, splitting, or separating this unified reality into the universe. We know today the heavens and the earth. For centuries, readers of the Qur'an contemplated this image. It was a powerful spiritual metaphor, but its physical meaning remained a mystery. Now, let's journey forward in time to the 20th century. Scientists, armed with powerful telescopes and the language of mathematics, began to piece together the story of our cosmos. Through the groundbreaking work of astronomers like Edwin Hubble, we discovered that the universe is not static. It is expanding. Galaxies are rushing away from each other, like dots on the surface of an inflating balloon. This monumental discovery led to a revolutionary theory, the Big Bang. The theory posits that if the universe is expanding now, then in the past, it must have been smaller, denser, and hotter. If we rewind time far enough, approximately 13.8 billion years, everything in the cosmos, all matter, all energy, all of space, and time itself was concentrated into an infinitesimally small, single point of unimaginable density and heat. A singularity. From this initial state, the universe erupted in a cataclysmic expansion, creating space and time, and eventually forming the stars, galaxies, and planets. Now, placed the scientific model and the Qur'anic verse side by side. Science describes a moment of singularity, a state where everything was one. The Qur'an describes the heavens and the earth as a joined entity. Science describes a massive expansion, a bang that separated everything. The Qur'an describes this single entity being separated. The parallels are astonishing. How could a man in the 7th century Arabian desert describe a concept that would only be understood through the lens of general relativity and observational cosmology more than a millennium later? The verse continues, "And we made from water every living thing. Then will they not believe?" This second part of the verse points to another scientific truth we now hold as fundamental: the necessity of water for life. Astrobiologists, searching for life on other planets, look for one key ingredient: water. Our own bodies are mostly water. Every known living organism depends on it. Again, a scientific principle, now considered common knowledge, is stated clearly in a 1400-year-old text. Could this be a coincidence? A lucky guess? Or is it a signal miracle for an age of science and discovery? The Qur'an presents these verses as evidence of its divine origin, challenging humanity to reflect. It doesn't use the language of equations or scientific jargon. It uses universal, descriptive language that could be understood by its immediate audience, and yet would grow in meaning and depth as human knowledge expanded. It speaks of a single, joined reality that was then separated, a description that perfectly mirrors the essence of the Big Bang theory. This convergence of ancient scripture and modern science invites us to ponder the nature of knowledge in its source. Is it possible that the creator of the universe also revealed its instruction manual? That the same God who set the cosmos in motion also sent guidance for humanity? The Qur'anic description of the universe's birth is not just a historical curiosity. It is a living sign, a challenge to our intellect, and an invitation to faith. It asks us to look at the universe and at the revelation, and to wonder. If this journey through time and scripture has sparked your curiosity, please like this video, share it with others who ask the big questions, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the harmony of faith and reason.